Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now. First, plug the watch into its charger and make sure it has at least 50% battery. This prevents interruptions. On your phone, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and keep Bluetooth enabled so the devices stay paired. Open the Galaxy Wearable app, choose your watch for Classic, and tap Software Update. Do this immediately so the phone downloads the package while the watch is ready to receive it, saving time and reducing risk of a failed transfer. Once done downloading on your phone, you'll be prompted to transfer the update to the watch. Allow the transfer and keep both devices within a few feet. The phone stages the files and then tells the watch to install. That handoff can take several minutes, so don't interrupt. If the watch restarts during installation, that's normal, let it finish. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking system prompts, and verify the watch screen shows an installing progress indicator before you walk away. After installation completes, the watch will reboot. Wait until you see the watch face and confirm normal operation. You should then check Settings, About Watch, Software version to verify the update applied. If apps behave oddly, restart the watch one more time and sync with the phone. If the update failed, reboot both phone and watch, reconnect via Galaxy Wearable, and retry the download and install. If problems persist, clear the watch cache via the app or contact support for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.